this video, you will learn how to properly install your new Goodyear Assurance wiper blade onto 1/4 inch or 3/16 inch side pin wiper arms. Step 1. Locate the H-type adapter that is pre-installed in the center of your wiper blade. It's 2.5 inches long and it tilts up and down. The cap is located on the upmost part of the H-type adapter and it has the Goodyear logo stamped on it. Step 2. For 1/4 inch side pin wiper arms, open the H-type adapter cap. Bring your wiper blade up to your wiper arm with the H-type adapter cap facing upwards away from your windshield. Then line up the pin with a larger opening on the center of your wiper blade. For 3/16 inch side pin wiper arms, leave the H-type adapter cap closed and tilt the H-type adapter forward. Bring your wiper blade up to your wiper arm with the H-type adapter cap facing upwards away from your windshield. Then, line up the pin with the smaller opening on the center of your wiper blade. Step 3. For 1/4 inch side pin wiper arms, close the Goodyear cap until you hear a click. For the 3/16 inch side pin, tilt the H-type adapter back to its original position until you hear it snap. Step 4. Remove the yellow squeegee protector and gently bring wiper blade onto your windshield to complete the installation. For wiper blades with Repel Max technology, please click on the Repel Max logo on your screen or on the link in the description box below for further application instructions. Thank you for choosing Goodyear wiper blades and watching this installation video. For further assistance, please visit our website, www.goodyearwiperblade.com.